Hello, everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with an American Bill Money review. And I know it's been a while, but I wanted to let people know that I am still involved in American Bill Money, which is a postcard program that's been around since 2003. They have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and they've been paying me out weekly since I first started the program, which was back in May of 2017. I love this opportunity because it's really something that is easy to duplicate. And for people that really don't enjoy being online, it is an offline business opportunity, okay? It's something that you can grow over time and you can produce a full-time income with. I wanted to show today an income proof because it's been a while since I've done an income proof, but I wanted to let people know that I am still involved in American Bill Money, and they have been paying me out every single week ever since I've started the program, and I'm continuously receiving payments from the efforts that I've put into this program months and months and months ago. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I received a check, and it just should just show you what you can experience if you join American Bill Money. So there's my name, and I received a check, a payment for $1,500 from American Bill Money. And I'm pretty excited about this because it just goes to show you, if you join the right program, a program that has that's been around for some time, that's reputable, that's not a scam, you can consistently earn online. And that's what I've been doing since I've been involved. For those that don't know, you're actually buying into a program where you're going to become an affiliate of a program that is going to allow you to get $75 for each person that comes into your downline and joins American Bill Money. What we do is send out postcards that is supplied to us by American Bill Money. And when you send out those postcards, a certain number of those people are going to respond, and they're going to join your program. So that's basically what I've been doing. I do kind of market this opportunity online from time to time, but it's mostly an offline program, which means postcards are being used to get people into this opportunity, okay? So if you want more information about American Bill Money and what it stands for and how it works, you can click on the link in the description below, which will give you information about American Bill Money. And if you want to reach out to me because you have questions about American Bill Money, my information is in the description below. So thanks so much for watching my YouTube video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I will be bringing more information about American Bill Money in the future. So thanks again, and have a great night.